How to remove the Fiat Doblo Opel Combo door mirror. We'll first remove the inner door mirror cover. It's only held on by clips. And then one thing I forgot to do was actually you'll need to unplug the mirror control after you remove the cover. As you can see, it's only held on by clips and it's just a simple pull off. Next, we'll remove these covers over here where the door open handle is, and underneath there are two torque screws. I believe they were T30. Go ahead and remove both of these torque screws. And then once these screws are off, we'll need to pull the switch plate and the handle out of place, and we'll need to detach the cable for the door open handle, and we'll need to unplug the window switch as well. This is because there is another torque screw that holds the door panel onto the door itself, and this is how you detach the door open handle cable. Remove the torque screw over here, and for the next part, there is clips on the inside of the door panel that hold the door panel in place. With a plastic tool, you want to get in between the door panel and the door. You can use your fingers when there's enough space, and what you'll need to do is pull the bottom out first and then slide the door panel upwards to detach it from the window sill. If you have a clip remover like this, it makes things much more easier, as it can be harder to get in there with your fingers, but with this clip remover, where the clips are located, you go in and then unclip them as you go. And then once it's unclipped, you can pull it with your hand and then remove the door panel. Keep in mind that these clips can break even with a clip remover. So yes, same way when you're refitting this, you need to first put the top in and slide it down into the window sill. So these are the clips over here. This one is black ones. One tip is make sure these clips are like this on the door panel. If there's any left on the door, get them and put them on the door panel. It makes refitting much easier. So with the door panel out of place, you can see the cable for the mirror runs down over here, and you will need to unclip and then unplug the mirror. It's actually quite annoying that you have to remove the door panel, but unfortunately this is how they make these mirrors most of the time. There's 3 torque screws that hold the mirror in place that you'll need to remove. And then once these screws are off, you can remove the door mirror and refit the new one, and follow the steps taken in this video in reverse order to refit everything back on. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.